I could fart really loud.
I was sitting down in the basement just farting all afternoon. It won't come. It won't come big.
You're lying. Yeah, point.
Why do you do that? Do you do that on purpose? Here's the gooder one.
A gooder.
This is so gross. Oh, wait.
I had a burp.
I don't know what to do. Wait.
I can't do it. I'm laughing.
Nothing. Wait. Nothing comes out with like.
You're gonna make me puke.
Ew. Do that. I can't do that.
I make myself gag. I make myself throw up if I do it with air. I can't do it. What's it? Your neck thingy like
Now I
goes
feel like
in.
I'm gonna throw up.
They're so funny.
Caleb, try to do it when your head's down.
No, this is the last time I'm doing it. I'm gonna puke.
Try to do it with your face down.
It's almost coming.
It's almost coming. Hold on, guys. Oh my god, no.
Ew.